Alright, hi YouTube heads, my name is Jacob Steiner, as you can probably tell from my username. Okay, now what I'm going to show you today is how to add directories and remove directories. Now, may I remind you that I am not responsible for anything you delete, so don't be experimenting unless you have an idea of what you're doing. This is not a toy. No. I'm also going to go over what I did yesterday because I don't think I did that good of a job. Okay, so let's change the color, but you don't know how to change your colors, so you gotta type in help. Now, when you type in help, it comes up with all this stuff, like these commands that you can use, and then it gives you like a brief summary of what it does, like copy, but we need to find what we want to do, so we're going to go to color. Alright, it sets the default console foreground and background, but that doesn't tell you everything, so if you want to know more, you have to type in help and then the command that you want to use. So we're going to do help color. So let's go down here. Not that far, okay. Help color. Alright, then it tells you some stuff right here. Alright, I already know what this does, so I'm just going to type in color 0A. Alright, that changed it to green. Okay, let's clear screen by typing CLS. Now let's view the directory by typing in dir. Okay, so it comes up with all this stuff. Okay, now if something says dir, that means it's a directory, also known as a folder. And we can't go into anything that doesn't have directory on it. And if we want to start something, like run a program, what we're going to type in, START, start, and then what we need to run. So I'm going to run python.exe. But we don't need to type in Python, the exe part. We just need to type in Python. And then this comes up, and then blah blah blah. Okay. So you know how to run something. Alright, now I'm going to show you now how to add a directory, also known as a folder. So what we're going to do, we're going to go down here and we're going to type in mkdir, which means make a directory, and then we got to type in the name we want it. So I'm going to call it Hunga Bunga. Yeah. But you can call it anything you want. You can call it banana fruit if you want. And then you just type enter. And then you go to dir again, and then it should say Hunga Bunga. Alright, so let's go to start and let's run Hunga Bunga. It just brings up a folder called Hunga Bunga that doesn't have anything in it. Now, we're not going to use that, so we can just delete it. And to do that, you're going to type in RMDIR, which stands for remove directory. And then you can type in Hunga Bunga. And then do dir again. And then, let's see, Hunga Bunga. It's not there anymore, so we successfully deleted it. Yeah. Okay, so that's about it. But if you want to go back to a different directory, you type in cd, which stands for change directory, and then you can type in dot, which means go back a folder. Go to the folder that contains, go to the directory that contains this directory. And then we go to this, and if you want to go back to a directory, just type in change directory, and I'll do Python 31. And then it brings me to Python 31. Now we can do exit. Or I'm going to just end the video actually, because that seems more fair. Alright, see you guys. Comment, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. Peace.